Hi, this is Ken Lau. One of the first thing I teach student to use VBA is to find the last row, and this is basically the code. So from a range A1, we go search down, we can get that row. Now I was wondering if Power Query can do that, and so I do a search and I found out that yes, it is possible. It has a Power Query M language called table.last, and the syntax is just adding a table.last. So let's just go here and check it out. That so let's say I have loaded this table into Excel and then load into Power Query, and now the source itself is a table. So I want to know the last row, which is here, LPT of month. So of course this is only 88 rows, but if you have 1,000 rows, where do you know what is contained in the last row? How do you know? Well, easy. Click on this button and then call the M language table.last, and then comma, and I think that's about it, and enter. Whoops, what happened? Let's see. Okay, you click on this button, okay, and that's it. You have the source here, which is returning a record, and that is how you get the last row. But what if you want to know is the row number? Then what you do is that one of the ways to add a column at a from 0, because we know that the row 1 here has an index of 1. So now I can right click, move it to the beginning, and I have the numbers here. And if I want to know which row that's it located, I can do the same, just that I press a button here, right? It still remains as a table. So let's just call table.last, and hopefully that will give me the right one. Okay, so now I know that it is on the row with the index of 87. Now if I just want to know that particular row, now I can do is that I call that record dot fill and provide the column that I want. It will give me 87, and that's is how I get the last row number. And it's not only last row, you can also get, say you want to know the last 3 row. How do you do that? Well, again, if you just in order every step here, just right click, delete until the end. Okay, so we only have source. To get the last 3 row, so you click again the add a step, you loaded the source as a table, and you call the table.last end. Okay, table last end, and you put there 2 1 3, and you enter. That will return you the last 3 row. Okay, that is last end. And I hope this is useful to you. God bless you. God bless Asia.